In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a single item on Alibaba. First, open your web browser and search for Alibaba. Click the official result to go to the home page, then sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create it ahead of time so checkout goes smoothly. On the home page, click in the search bar and type what you want to buy, for example, women's clothes, and press enter. You'll see a lot of listings. Because the goal is to purchase just one piece, pay close attention to the minimum order quantity shown on each product card. Only choose items that clearly say the minimum order is one piece. If the minimum is higher, that supplier won't sell single units on that listing. When you find a product with a one-piece minimum, click the listing to open the product page. Here, you can review photos, pricing, shipping options, and seller ratings. Look for protections like trade assurance and read recent reviews. When you're ready, click Start Order. Next, select the color you want, then choose your size. Most sellers include a size chart on the page, so compare your measurements to minimize returns. After selecting the size, use the plus sign next to the size or quantity field to make sure a quantity of 1 is added. If you only want a single item, keep it at 1, then click Start Order again to proceed. You'll be taken to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method. If you haven't saved a card yet, the site will prompt you to add one. Click Add a new card and carefully enter your card details. Double check the billing address and any required verification fields, then click Confirm. Before you pay, review the order summary one more time. Make sure the right color, size, and quantity are selected, confirm the shipping cost and delivery estimate, and check any taxes or duties that may apply to your location. If everything looks correct, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. That's it. After payment, you'll receive an order confirmation in your account. You can track updates on the orders page and message the supplier if you have questions about shipping. Following these steps will help you buy a single item on Alibaba with confidence, from search to secure checkout.